Alright YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video, and this one is pretty exciting. So here I am in our Discord server, GFX comment. If you're not in, click the link down below in the description and you can join. We're at 3982, we are close to 4,000, 18 members away from 4,000, so if you guys could join, that would be fantastic. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to be ranking your work. So yeah, in our server, we have ranking info, we have ranks, we have rookie, novice, experienced, adept, elite, super, professional, master, and grandmaster right here. You can post your work here, ranking UI, renders, logos, art, we have promotions and the judge hat. So yeah, I'm just gonna check out your work and I'm going to give you guys your rank, some critique, advice, how you can improve, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a like and let's get right into it. Alright, so in UI, the first person we have is it's Noob Tom. So let's take a look at your work here. The first one is this little donates UI panel. Some advice I could give you off the bat: I would remove this little shadow bevel effect on the X button. I think it doesn't look good. Also, I will also remove the same effect on the panel right here. I think your scaling could be a lot better as well. In regards to the text, a better font, it will make the X button smaller. So a quick way you could just improve everything. I'm gonna give you an example of how things could be better. So we take our rounded rectangle tool and I do the same curve rounded corners that you have, but I'm going to make mine slightly more modest. So if we just go for a nice panel like this, and when you pick a color, you went for an orange. I feel like you could also pick a better color. I'm not sure about orange, but I will just show you an example with what you made. So let's add some text. We put donate. So if you choose a better font, it will look a lot better. Let's place it right here. So obviously you went for a cartoony style, so I'm gonna choose a somewhat cartoony font. I think I'm gonna go for Ayrton Comic. It is not the perfect font, but it's here. So what I mean with the X button is you can make it a lot more. Do something like that. Choose a better red color. See, if I pick on your red, you basically chose you just went all the way to red, which does not look great. So if you choose a different shade, like you go here, it looks better in my opinion. So we could also add the little stroke that you have as well. Just basically tidy up your UI like this. So for the little stroke outline, we could do something like this right here. And now for your panels, what you should do is, let's just go right here. Right here, we're gonna lower the radius this time to like 15. Okay, we're just gonna go right across like this. Like this, we're gonna select the background color. There we go, done. Just gonna go like this. And I'm gonna copy the text and go for 10 Robux. Now these inside panels, you should make these into a normal, more regular font. And now if we copy and paste this down, now you can see this looks a lot more cleaner. So yeah, just simple stuff like this, it will help your UI a lot. Let's get back into it. This one I think is a lot better. It's a great concept. Obviously a lot of things could be more clean, but all in all I like this a lot. This one is pretty cool as well. So let me just give you a rank. Let's right click, let's go to roles. We have all our ranks here. We have rookie, novice. I'm gonna give you the novice rank. There you go. If you would like to rank up and get promoted, just take a month, improve, post some new work. A month later, and we will compare and contrast. We will compare and contrast your previous work with your recent one, and we will decide if you deserve a promotion. Okay, next we have Zav right here. Shop. This should be precise and positioned better. X button is okay. I would just put the X button right here instead, because trying to fit this shape with this rounded corner, it just doesn't look great to me. The scroll bar is alright. I like these little panels. The margins are a bit inconsistent, but it's alright. All in all, this is a decent UI. I like that. I like this one a lot. I think this one is clean. Once again, the margins are inconsistent, so if you see here, the distance here is bigger in this one and this one. So if you can, so you should fix it, make it proportional. We have game passes. This is a pretty cool UI. The X button, move this up. You have it down here, should be up here or at least up here. Buy button's pretty cool. I would change the text color on the Robux amounts here to make it stand out a bit more. All in all, your work is also really good. I like it. I am excited to see your improvement. I'm gonna give you novice because I don't think you are a rookie, but you can also improve. So novice. Alright, we have Clash here. He already has a rank experience, so we're gonna move on. IDK Bro, he's a rookie. He already has a rank. Okay, Kieran, Cashmere right here. Someone tell me what more to add. This is actually not bad. I think you should add a background so we can at least see how it looks on a proper background. I'm gonna give you novice as well. I don't think you're a rookie, but you have to post more and, for me to see what you are capable of making. Alright, Stell. This is a lot better than most. The perspective on these icons are unique. The shapes are creative. The colors, the background patterns. I think you deserve a pretty nice rank. Let's go for roles. Rookie, novice experience. I'm gonna give you adept. Alright, it's good. Okay. Colby. This is a really nice cartoony style UI. I like these buttons here a lot, and the text. These little currency things right here. I like. UI showcase. Very smooth. Very nice glossy buttons. Cartoony. I like the color choices. You also deserve a nice rank. Unfortunately, you are not in the server anymore, so I can't give you a rank. But I'm gonna be the best. Let's see what else is here. Luxury, you have rank already. I like this a lot. It's pretty cool. Okay, let's go to some renders. Let's see what people have here. Let me scroll all the way down. Look at this. That's some pretty cool here. That's a bit stiff, but it's okay. ZSS. It's a nice icon, little flowers. For your work posted here, this is unrendered. I'm gonna give you novice experience. I'm gonna give you adept as well. Help and advice. This is a beginner's piece. I'm gonna give you roles. I'm gonna give you rookie for this right here. I don't think it's bad. Advice. I mean, you are obviously a beginner, so you're still learning a lot, right? There's not the advice. The advice to give you would be to just keep going, keep learning, keep practicing, learning more about textures, lighting setups. The pose is alright. It's a bit stiff, but yeah, you are still learning. So press it right here, Orius, you already have a rank. Sushi, simple square. The effects, you should. The lightning could be better. It looks really copy and paste. The render is okay. I like this little flame effect here. I like that. Just fix the lighting. Just fix the lightning thing. I will also use a larger resolution for your thumbnails. So you're not exactly a rookie, so I'm gonna give you a novice for this right here. Okay, do you have a rank? You have a rank ready. This is following the tutorial, pretty cool. V Hypnotic, Coolie YT, Mr. Rats P. Okay, let's see what you got here. This is a pretty cool idea. I can't really tell what this is. I'm gonna give you just because you have some depth of field here, you have some skill. I'm gonna give you novice right here. Rate please. Aspects, you already have a rank. Zen, Kiero, any rank. I'm gonna give you rookie. Find it. There we go. Alright, yeah, I think this is going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, join the Discord, check out our store, link is down below, gfxcomment.com. We have a ton of products and free stuff as well. So yeah, with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in the next video.